Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Maggie. If you guys are new, welcome or welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a what's in my bag video. I'm really excited. This is the bag that I'm, currently using, and we'll be showing you guys, what's inside. It is the Vivienne Westwood mini Yasmin bag, I think. My boyfriend got this for me a couple years back, and she is just so cute and haven't worn her in a minute. But the other day when I went to Haiti to get sicha from Toronto, since they opened the store, I saw a girl wearing this, and then I just got inspired on the spot, and I'm like, I'm gonna pull that out and start loving it. This is the little bag charm that I have on it. Okay, before we get into the bag video, I wanted to share with you guys some pieces of jewelry Ana Luisa sent me. I'm so excited to be collaborating with them again. They sent me two really adorable jewelry pieces that I'm gonna share with you all. Here is the packaging. So adorable, because I've worked with Ana Luisa a lot in the past, and I feel like they did a whole rebrand refresh of their jewelry packaging, and it's better than ever. Like, look at how adorable. Even the outside packaging was super cute. Also, it is very rainy outside, so if the lighting is kind of blue, that is why. So the first piece that I got is this really adorable heart earring set. This is the Jessica style in silver, and it is just absolutely gorgeous. I have so many piercings, and so I love wearing these types of kind of like mini huggies with a little charm, either in my first or my second hoop, usually in my second. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Second set is this, the Esther Silver. I love it. It's got a little bow and then another heart as well. I love how it's mismatched. I love me a mismatched earring. I just think it's so cute. Like, it first started off as Justine Clanquette, obviously, but these mini huggy kind of vibe with, two different types of charms, I think is just absolutely gorgeous. Couple of points on why I love collaborating with Ana Luisa and just love their jewelry in general. Their quality is really unmatched. Hypoallergenic, water resistant. The quality is great. I've worked with them several years in the past, and honestly to this day I wear so many of their pieces, and that just goes to show they're long lasting and great quality. Second, their products are great quality, but you're not going to be breaking the bank with these items. Like, around 40 to 100, you get some beautiful pieces, and it's also just a great gift idea. I'll have these pieces linked in the down bar for you all, and let's go ahead and get into what's in my bag. All right, first and foremost, I have a mini perfume in here. This is the Diptyque Eau Rose. I love this. Like, this is so good. I also have the full size in this. I just think Eau Rose is like the best, most classic scent from Diptyque. I don't want this video to turn into like a fragrance one, but like, look, I have one of their candles. I'm not sure if this is Eau Rose, it's just the roses candle, but I just think that Diptyque does a great job at rose scents. So I have the little perfume over here. I'm just gonna spray it on. It's really, really great, and I love it. I mean, I love me a spray like this size. Looks like a roller ball, but it's a nice little spray. Second, I have my headphones. I love my little case. This is from Taobao, of course. Just so cute, and then it has a little keychain, but I just love all things pink. Wait, my phone case? I mean, obviously my phone is in my hands. This is not my bag. But yeah, my headphones, I love music, like Spotify. Love her. I am just an avid music listener, so of course need to have my headphones with me. Just classic good old Apple. Two lip glosses. Again, I don't want this video to like turn into a lip product video, because I feel like I'm just also, again, a lip gloss connoisseur. So just have these two from Miss Teen. I'm not going to swatch it because I've done so many swatch videos, but two of my favorites ever. I just think like when you pull this out of your bag, people are literally like, what is this? Because it spins. It's this gorgeous kind of marble quartz. And then obviously you have the colors down there. So one more reddish cherry color for nighttime. This is more of like a nudish color, terracotta, perfect for the daytime. The red one is in JO2 and the nude one is in JO1. I'm just gonna be linking it down below. You can probably buy it off of Yes Style. Such great lip glosses. Like, they're so beautiful. It leaves the most perfect kind of tint on your lips. Like, it's not sticky at all. I love the textures of these Miss Teen lip glosses. I'm not going to talk too much about them because I feel like I have rambled about these products enough before. But then I have a little mini like lotion. Let me pull it out. I feel like I'm not showing the bag. This is the Jo Malone Peony and Blush Suede Body Cream, but I just like honestly use it as a hand cream. So good. Classic scent. My first ever perfume from Jo Malone was Peony and Blush Suede because of Joan Kim. and I love the scent still. It's so good. Love Diptyque, love Jo Malone. So body lotion, but I kind of use it as a hand cream. Last but not least, my wallet. So this is just a wallet. It fits in this bag, which is so cute. And so this is kind of like everything that I carry around with me. I tend to, you know, switch around bags a lot because, you know, depending on what I'm wearing, like I love me a little bag switch. And so this is kind of like all the essentials, you know, wallets, headphones, hand cream, lip gloss, perfume. Sometimes I like to carry around powder. I have dry skin, so I don't really like need to reapply. I usually have that in my work bag, you know, hand sanitizer, but it doesn't fit in this bag. Keys, obviously. I didn't include keys in this, but I have the Lululemon Never Lost keychain. Love it so much. I have the light pink. I think I featured it in a vlog before, and I'm just so obsessed with that keychain because it's so big. It's like, it's literally never lost. Like, you cannot lose it. It's such a big, like it's a whole accessory because it's like a, you know, a big old keychain. So that is all that is in my bag. I just think that this looks so cute with it. Anyways, so I'll be linking this bag down below as well. Love her so much. It comes with a strap, but I don't usually wear it with the strap because I just think that it looks so much cuter, like a little top handle bag. So that is everything that I wanted to share in my bag. As for Ana Luisa, I'll be linking all of those items that I showed in the beginning as well in the description box for you guys to check out, because obviously Women's Day is coming up, so International Women's Day. You know, I don't know if people gift for Easter, but you can do that as well. Just any birthday as well, I think is such a great gift. The gift of jewelry, timeless, stunning, it's simple, high quality. Anyway, so birthdays. You've got like Mother's Day is coming up in May. So anyways, I just think that this is a great gift, and also gifting yourself is great as well. So I'll have all of these links to the items that I shared in the description box for you guys to check out. Thank you all so much for staying until the end if you guys did. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoy old school what's in my bags, because I personally do myself. Definitely also check me out on my other social media platforms, which are always linked in the description box below. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you guys are, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.